We don't wear badges. We don't wear uniforms. We don't demand to see your license and registration, or your passport, or your visa, or your working papers, or your student ID, or your rental agreement. We don't set up checkpoints. We don't stop and frisk. We are not racial profilers, and we are not colorblind. We make beautiful music together. We know how to dance. We know when to dance, when to party, when to run, and with whom. And we know when to stand up, back straight, facing the state, meeting its hatred of itself with our love of each other. We hold hands. We lock arms. We feed each other. We clothe each other. We keep each other warm. We don't hoard food. We don't waste food. We don't shame you if you're hungry. We're not embarrassed when our stomachs rumble. We don't eat first. We don't build walls. We smash them. We cut holes in wire fences. We tear down advertisements. We cover walls with art and messages. We don't build jails. We don't kidnap people. We don't kidnap animals. We don't pour chemicals into the eyes of rabbits and mice. We liberate them from the labs where they're held captive and tortured. We don't torture. We aren't torturers who say we don't torture. We don't distinguish between human rights and civil rights and animal rights. Every species is endangered. The world is a wildlife preserve. We don't hold elections hostage. We don't hold elections. We don't represent anyone but ourselves. We don't pledge allegiance to flags. We don't wave them. We don't wrap ourselves in them. We don't salute them. We have no nation, and it is not great, and it never was. We don't govern. We are not governable. We are not constituents. We are not citizens. We are not consumers. We are not products. We don't yammer on about renewable this and sustainable that. We are not a science experiment. We know that ethical shopping is still shopping. We don't take its instructions from strange old men in strange robes with monopolies on God's will. We don't pray at the altar of oil, or gas, or coal, or uranium, or money, or technology. We know that the bed and the bank of every river and stream is a sacred site.